What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. On today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the turntable from U-Turn. This is the Orbit, and it has a built-in phono stage. This is one of our best sellers. If you've been following our channel for a while, I've seen a ton of luxury home theater products, and we still are your go-to nationwide home theater specialist, but we are taking a deep dive into HiFi 2 channel and have created this listening space so that we can get our hands on some of the industry's best gear. That way we can make solid recommendations to you. If you would like to purchase anything, keep in mind we're nationwide and offer free consultations so we can tailor these packages specific to your budget and needs. All right, guys, I'm gonna pass this off to Kellen, our national sales director, and he's gonna open this puppy up and let you know what makes it so great. Let's go.
This is Kellen with Dreamedia. We're gonna be doing the unboxing of the Orbit turntable from U-Turn. This is going to be the turntable that's going to set up here in our 2-channel area. We're gonna have a couple of different options to listen to in terms of turntables. So the tone arm, the cartridge is already installed. A little more plug and play than some of the more complex options out there. I did get this in black. There are multiple finishes for these units. You can check them out on our website. We'll have links down in the description so you can look at that. And so really like these personal touches. And it's not printed. This is actually handwritten. So we hope this brings new life to your music. If you need assistance or have any questions, feel free to contact us, Dreamedia, but they do want to help support the customer as well. So that is absolutely great to see. Looks like on top we have the platter. Looks like we have the necessary interconnects. So if you don't have Viablue interconnects, turntable from U-Turn comes with everything that you essentially need. So there's a setup guide. You have some unbalanced RCA cable stereos, the belt drive. This is a belt driven turntable, and they throw in a little swag. So here's a U-Turn audio sticker. The power cord, Orbit branded dust cover. That's very nice. We actually have the turntable unit in itself. All right, so one of the first things you're gonna do to start putting the turntable together is you'll want to install the platter. So this is a very dense acrylic platter. Those just snap into place just like that. You'll want to connect your RCA cables, your power cables. We are gonna go ahead and install the belt. You'll want to put it over one of the grooves on the actual belt drive itself. You wanna add just a little bit of tension so it stays taut as you're trying to put it around the belt. Now we were gonna put the felt cover on the platter, and we took the cartridge cover off the front there tab. I'm going to close the dust cover here and move it into position and plug it in. All right, so you're gonna plug in the power cable. And we're just gonna go ahead and use the analog cables that come with the unit. Because we have the phono stage already built into the turntable, this is just gonna go into our analog ends on the back of our HiFi rows. Corresponded, of course, red to red, white to white. So we'd like to have some gloves while I'm doing this, but we just opened a fresh copy of Hotel California. I'm gonna demonstrate how to put that on the platter right now. And that's how you put together the U-Turn Orbit turntable. Another thing to note is this unit actually has the phono stage built into the back of the unit. After you make your RCA unbalanced connections there to your turntable, you'll obviously want to turn that preamp on. There is a power button on there. If you are running an external phono stage, obviously then that phono stage will have to be turned on. First impressions, very simple to put together. These do have different cartridges you can use with this turntable as well if you want to upgrade those. I mean, this is a very nice turntable if you're looking for a gift for someone, you know, under that $1,000 mark. This is one of the best turntables that you can get today. If you guys have any questions on today's video, feel free to reach out to dreamediaav.com. You can shop online or schedule a one-on-one consultation with one of our specialists. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video on the U-Turn Orbit turntable. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you in the next one.